Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you ready to meet the next big thing in smartphones? Curious about the stunning display, powerful performance, and cutting-edge features of the Samsung Galaxy F55? Want to know how its camera stacks up against the competition or how long that 5000 mAh battery really lasts? Well, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy F55. From its top-notch design to its lightning-fast performance and everything in between, we'll answer all your burning questions. So, sit tight and let's get started. First up, let's talk about the display and design. The Samsung Galaxy F55 features a stunning 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness. This means you get vibrant colors, smooth scrolling, and great visibility even in bright sunlight. The phone's sleek design, with a glass front and eco-leather back, feels premium in the hand while being eco-friendly. At just 180G and 7.8mm thick, it's also incredibly lightweight and slim. When it comes to memory and storage, the Galaxy F55 doesn't disappoint. It offers three configurations: 128GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 8GB RAM, and a top-tier 256GB with 12GB RAM. Plus, there's a microSD slot for expandable storage, giving you plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. Now, let's dive into the camera capabilities. The Galaxy F55 sports a versatile triple camera setup on the back. A 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization for crisp, clear shots. An 8MP ultra-wide lens perfect for capturing landscapes. A 2MP macro lens for detailed close-ups. For selfie lovers, the front camera boasts an impressive 50MP sensor, ensuring you look your best in every shot. Both cameras can shoot 4K video at 30 frames per second, making it a great choice for vloggers and content creators. Battery life is crucial, and the Galaxy F55 delivers with a robust 5000 mAh battery. It supports 45W wired charging, so you can quickly top up and get back to your day without long waits. The Galaxy F55 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset, ensuring smooth performance whether you are gaming, multitasking, or streaming. Running on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, the user experience is intuitive and feature-rich in terms of connectivity. The Galaxy F55 supports 5G, ensuring fast internet speeds for browsing, streaming, and downloads. It also includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and more, making it a truly versatile device. The Samsung Galaxy F55 is set to be released in June 2024. While official pricing hasn't been announced yet, we expect it to be competitively priced within the mid to high-end smartphone market. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the release date. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the Samsung Galaxy F55. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and versatile camera setup, it's shaping up to be an impressive addition to Samsung's lineup. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future updates. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy F55 and if you are planning to get one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.